In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on extended hours in Tradingview. For those who may not be familiar, Tradingview is an advanced financial visualization platform used by traders around the world. It comes with a myriad of features, one of which allows you to view extended trading hours on various stocks and assets. This feature is particularly handy for anyone who is interested in seeing how a stock performs outside of regular trading hours or who wants to make more informed trading decisions. First, let's get started by logging into your Tradingview account. For this tutorial, I'll assume you already have an account set up. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard or a chart of a stock that you've viewed recently. If not, you can simply search for a stock that you're interested in and click on it to bring up a chart. Now, with your chart loaded, focus your attention on the top of the screen. You'll notice a bar there that includes various options and settings. This is where you need to be to access the menu for extended hours. Look for the button labeled Settings, which can be found either as a button itself or as an icon resembling a gear, usually to the left or right of the chart. Go ahead and click on this button. This will bring up the settings menu for your chart. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see a series of tabs across the top. You're going to want to click on the tab labeled Symbol. Within the Symbol tab, you'll find several options related to the appearance and data of the stock or asset you're viewing. Here is where we can turn on extended trading hours. Now, scroll down a bit within the symbol settings, and you should see an option labeled Extended Hours. There will be a checkbox next to this option, and it is here where you need to make your adjustment. If the box is unchecked, simply click on it to check the box, enabling extended hours. This action will adjust your chart, allowing you to view data from both pre-market and after-hours trading sessions. Once you've checked the box, you'll likely notice an immediate change on your chart. Additional gray or shaded areas might appear, representing the data from these extended trading hours. It's always a good idea to glance over your chart to ensure everything looks correct and the data is aligned as expected. That's all there is to it. Now, your Tradingview chart is set up to display extended hours, providing you with a fuller picture of stock performance throughout the day and beyond. As you continue to analyze stock trends and make trading decisions, having access to data from extended trading hours can be incredibly beneficial. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy trading!